Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I haven't really posted anything in a while, but today I was like, you know what, I am trapped in the house on quarantine for the coronavirus, and I was like, let me do a video. Basically what this video is going to be about is my Boxy Charm. Ipsy. I have ordered from Ipsy before, and I did like Ipsy. I think I just like switched banks and then never updated my account, so I never kept subscribing to that. So I will compare the two because I've had both. Ipsy's a little cheaper than Boxy Charm, but so far I think I am gonna like Boxy Charm better. So this is the box that it came in. I did order it on March 15th. That's when I placed my order. I just got it today, and today is the 22nd. Or might have they had delivered it yesterday? No, it's Sunday, so how did I get this today? Okay, whatever. But basically I went out to go run to the store really fast, and it was on my doorstep. So finally when I placed the order, I keep looking this way because it's on my MacBook, like the details. So originally when I placed the order, it did say that it would take about 10 days to receive the tracking number, and then about 20 business days to actually receive the box. So it took 8 days in total. I received the shipping the next day, so that was no big deal. So yeah, so about 8 days in total. I did order it on, what day did that fall on? That fell on a Saturday, so it took 8 days if you count Saturday and Sunday, those couple of days, so that's not bad. So this is what it looks like, Boxy Charm, and it was $25 to get one, $1.75 for the tax, and shipping was free. And then it came with a free little gift for ordering. Before I placed my order, a little code to enter to get a free gift, and of course I'm going to enter it to get the free gift. Who doesn't want a free gift? So this is how you open it. I love pink. First and foremost, they do put the dramatic little styrofoam or whatever you call this to protect it, but there's nothing in here that I feel like would get hurt. Another layer, and the first thing that caught my eye was this eyeshadow palette, Boxy Charm, because who doesn't like eyeshadow palettes? This is the size, and these are the colors. Okay, the glare is making it weird, but yeah, these colors. The quality of this shadow feels a little cheap, not gonna lie. Especially the glitter. I don't know how I feel about that. Ooh, that one's cute. Can you see it? That one's cute. Ooh, it's funny. There you go. That's super cute. Let's see what else. Like a mermaid blue purple. Some of these colors are cute. It does come with like a little mirror. I would try to test around with it. 12 colors, not bad. It's cruelty free. I can fuck with that. And mind you, all of these products, from what I've noticed just by looking in there, I did peek at this before I did this video, they're all pretty good sizes, and that is the difference between Boxy Charm and Ipsy. Ipsy's were more like sample sizes. So yeah. Next, this caught my eye, Metal Crush a liquid highlighter by Kat Von D, and Kat Von D's products are cruelty free and they're vegan, so that's good. There you go. What is happening? Okay, nothing is coming out of this, so I don't like that at all. Oh! A little bit of pink pop through. Ooh, it's super pretty. Liquid highlighter. Really? I don't know why. I think just the packaging, automatically I wanted it to be a liner. Super cute. It's hard to tell. I think I just have this lighting a little too light. Let me see. Can you see now? No. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. It's kind of pink. Maybe I should dip this with natural light or just dab on some more so you guys can see. Wow, this is super cute. If you can hear that man in the background, ignore him. Sorry to that man. I don't know who he is. But yeah, this is in color Rose Shock. This is super cute. It's a highlighter though, so obviously you would use it on your cheeks. This might be a little too pink for me. I like more of like a warm color for my highlight. Probably use it more for like an eyeshadow, or maybe I would dab just a tad because I think this is more for lighter tones. I want to mention there is like a quiz you take at the beginning of doing before you place your order, and you kind of like customize your order. That's you like your skin tones, what brands do you use, what beauty stores you shop at, just because those are the products of the places you go, all of that, and which ones you're interested in as well. I lied on some of them that sound like maybe they would have good products that I want to try. I want to try some good products. I don't use them, never bought them, but I would like to try them. Okay, so this one is a almond honey hair mask. If you know me, you know I love honey. Almond honey, just the smell of it just sounds like something that I want in my life, to be honest. Sulfate and paraben free. I have been going the natural route, more so trying to with my makeup, with my hair products. Hair products and skin products automatically for me are going to be natural. Makeup, it's a little hard because there are certain products that I just really love that I can't let go. Oh, you scared me.
You scared me.
I'm doing a video. I don't care if he crawls around and stuff, but him crying, he can't be crying in my video.
That's good. That's gonna get you more fans.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Get out! I'm trying to do my video.
Stupid talk. You not.
Get out on my video. What? You want to be in my video? Come here. Don't be over here messing up stuff either. You gotta be a good boy. So yeah, this product is more of a natural product. Help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. I definitely will try this. I can see this being something that I would like and I would use again and again. This is gonna be something that I like. I already can tell. So next product, Sultra Beauty, a ceramic cooling iron with a cooling cup. This box I feel like is good. For being my first box, I don't think that it's gonna be anything like special just because it's my first box besides the extra product. But I feel like this is probably what they normally do. This is a cute little tool. I don't normally use tools to where I have to hold my hair at the end. I like the clip ones, but I've definitely had like a wand curler before, so I would use this. And this purple is the cutest purple ever. This is super cute, and it comes with a little bag, so I feel like traveling, just throw it in this little bag. That works for me. This is super cute. See, now my only problem with styling tools like this, since my hair is a little coarser, I do like a higher temperature on my styling tools. So hopefully, here. Hopefully, we could maybe use a little curling mask in his hair too. So, why are you looking like that? So, hopefully it gets hot for me because otherwise it's gonna be pointless. And then last but not least, Saturday Skin Waterfall Water Cream. This box, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I just got the shower, hence the towel. I put some of this on already just because I was like super thirsty to try it, and I told you guys I already peeked in this box anyways. So I'm gonna open this up. This one is a 12-month lifespan as well. No sulfates, no parabens, love that. Look at how cute this whole thing is, you guys. It just like sold me. Look at the top, the little raindrops. So cute. It's like holographic. When I opened it, I did notice that it doesn't smell like anything at all. Doesn't smell like anything, and I like that because I don't like my products, especially for my skin, super especially for my face, to have scents on them. I don't really like that just because I feel like my skin is gonna automatically try to deny it. My face is so sensitive, hence me breaking out. I just decided, since we're talking about beauty stuff today, I wanted to do no makeup. I did not feel like getting all dressed up for this video, doing my hair, my makeup. Felt like that was kind of pointless. So this is my first Boxy Charm. And I think overall for the price, I am pretty satisfied. I think if I was to get off this video and look up the price of each one of these products, I would get one product for the price of what I got this for. And I like that these products are like full size. You're not getting a mini sample size. I will put below my little link or referral code so you guys can do one, and I think you get $5 off. So for $25 a month, because I paid $25 the first time, so it has to be. I don't believe that Ipsy was $20 though. I believe it was like $15, but I'm not sure. One thing that I did like about Ipsy though was that each order that you got, of course, since they were sample sizes, they each came in like a makeup bag, and each month you got a makeup bag, and the makeup bags were like different prints, designs, material each month. So I did like that because I always had something to carry my makeup in. So yeah, this is my first month's Boxy Charm. I definitely will keep it for like a couple months. And I do want to mention that I said it took about 8 days to receive, and I don't know if because everything going on with the coronavirus, I don't know if maybe that could have made it have been a little more delayed, but I think that was pretty fast for what they were saying. When I order things in the mail, I don't want them to take all day for them to come. So oh, I still have one more product. This one is vintage by Liebeskind. This is just a little lip gloss. It looks kind of cheap, not gonna lie. Nothing stands out to me. The packaging is like pretty bland, doesn't seem like nothing fancy. Let's put it on now, why not, right? Hey. There we go. Super glossy. I like the gloss look. This kind of feels like a lip gloss that would stay on your lips for a little while, so I'm cool with that. Doesn't taste like anything, which is good because when my lip gloss tastes good, I always lick my lips and lick it off. So good thing this doesn't taste like anything, so I'll definitely give that one a try. It kind of just seems like a lip gloss that I would throw on top of my already lipstick, or like if I have like a matte color that I want to be glossy, I would just throw that on top. I can't believe I almost forgot that product. So yes, these are my products. This one nice and wet. Thank you, baby. I can see the hair mask and the face moisturizer being the two that I would actually buy out of the store. And I will list each of the products down below because I know sometimes I skip over things and then I realize, why didn't I say that, or why didn't I do that in the video? And I just be talking a lot like I am now. This Boxy Charm box is so cute. I can't believe it. It kind of reminds me of like my Fenty packaging. So below I'll post my referral code and my link so you guys can try it out yourselves. I'll keep you guys updated about the next couple months that I get mine. If they seem worth it, I'll keep them. If not, you can always go to your settings and switch around what you want. It'll ask you, do you want lip glosses? Do you want face creams? Do you want hair products? They'll ask you to kind of personalize your order, like I said, so you can have yours be more personal to what you like. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching me and baby boy. He wanted to be my surprise guest again. He never lets me record in peace, so maybe you guys will see him more often. He doesn't want to be in the video. He wants what I have. So thanks for watching.